Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. Today activity is staged in a coffee shop and we will calculate stock levels, cost prices per unit, monthly incomes, monthly profits, average incomes and average profits. The shop sells both chocolate and crisps. Let's start with the chocolate table, calculating the stock level by adding the number so item bought plus the opening balance. Now we can copy the formula and paste it to all the cells of the row, as it follow the same pattern. Let's calculate the number of units left by subtracting the total stock level minus the numbers of units sold. Then we apply the formula to the whole row by dragging the field handle. To calculate the cost price per unit, we need to do the cost of the box divide the number of the items inside the box. Now we are going to link the light blue cells with the table on the other side where we have the cost price. To link the cells, we start with equal. We click on the cell with the information we need, we press F4 to do the absolute reference and enter to finalize the formula. We do the same for the selling price. We start with equal. We click on the right cell, we press F4 and we finalize with enter. To calculate the profit per item, we need to subtract the selling price for the cost price, starting with equal and finalizing with enter. To calculate the total profit per item, we need to multiply the selling price for the cost price, starting with equal and finalizing with enter.
No. It's profit per item times the number of units sold.
Then the total income need to be calculated by multiplying the cost at the selling price times the number of units sold, starting with equal and finalizing with enter.
Correct.
Finally, we apply all the formulas to the whole row by selecting all 5 cells and dragging the field handle along the row or by copying and pasting. Then, we move on the right side to calculate the average profit per month, clicking in cell K15. We can select average from AutoSum shortcut, then selecting all the cells in row 22, from C22 until H22 and finalize with enter. We do the same for the average incomes, applying the average formula and selecting from cell C23 until H23. Otherwise we can write the formula, starting with equal, typing average open brackets, selecting the cells and finalize with enter. We finished with the chocolate table and now we will work on the crisps. As the tables are identical, we can use the same calculation for the crisps as well. We calculate the stock levels and the numbers of units left for the crisps as well. Once created the formula in the first cell, don't forget to apply the formulas to the whole row by dragging the field handle along the row or by copying and pasting. On the right side, we calculate the cost price per unit, the average profit and the average income. Follow the same procedure used before. For the cost price of a unit, divide the cost of the box by the total units. For the average profit and the average incomes, use the AutoSum shortcut. We link again the cost price, the selling price. We calculate the profit per unit, the total profit and the total income, and we apply the formulas to the whole row. On the right we calculate again the average profit and the average incomes using the AutoSum shortcut. Once both tables are completed, we can calculate the totals in the table below by adding the figures from the chocolate and the crisps. For the total stock sold in cell C42, we add C15 with C31 starting the formula with equal. Then for the total profit, we add C22 and C38 starting the formula with equal. Then for the total incomes, we add C23 and C39 starting the formula with equal. Finally, we finish the total by selecting all three cells and applying the formulas to the whole rows from C until H, by dragging them form the field handle or by copying and pasting the cells selected. At last, using the AutoSum shortcut function in the top right, we identify the maximum, the minimum and the average profit using the formula maximum, minimum, and average, which structure is the same as the formula SUM. We start selecting cell K41, we click on the AutoSum shortcut icon, we select max and select the range of cells from C to H with the mouse. We do the same K42 using a minute, K43 and K44 using average. Selecting the right function from the AutoSum shortcut, selecting the cells and finishing the formulas with enter. There you go. All done. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.